Tonight on Street Division, two men go for a drive in a convertible. We debadge the car using a knife, and we get sued by the BBC. Over time, plastic headlights go cloudy. So on today's episode, we're going to use an off-the-shelf product and some toothpaste and see which one works best.
Seven hours later.
So that didn't work. Nah, not at all. But the car's daily driven, so I'm more interested in what the inside is like. So I have a new steering wheel to replace the one that's fallen apart in there. And an automatic window switch. Yeah.
The first step is to remove the airbag.
It's explosive!
When working with explosives, it is important to remain calm and always remember to wear the correct PPE.
Fire!
Mate, you just unplug it.
With that out of the way, we can simply swap over to the new steering wheel. I'm sure you'll agree, it looks much better. The facelift Mazda comes with a auto window up switch. It's as simple as plug and play and away you go. And it's as simple as that. Let's try it out, shall we? That's not right.
I want to believe.